Your stomach doesn't growl because you're hungry. It's actually growling all the time. You just can't hear it. Your intestines are constantly squeezing to push food along. It's a process called peristalsis. When your stomach is full, the food acts like a muffler, soaking up the noise. But when it's empty, those contractions are just splashing air and liquid around. It's basically an internal bubble party. So that growl, it's just your body doing its job. Subscribe for more secrets about your own body.